Ebusian for my mama nyina akwaba. Eba Ghana asɛm TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribing. Turn you on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for say I am liking and I'm loving the posture of NPP for both home and abroad. Yeah. Say na yepe. You see, idea NDC for name say they have awoken a sleeping lion. Yeah. Even though you're elephant, you're elephants with the heart of a lion. And when you take our calmness, our peaceful nature for granted now, what you want to know, we will give it to you. Now the reason I'm saying this, and it's a Abrantie Baku and say man be our US. I bet share a story. Our TikTok. Now let me give you an idea of what was going on before man be sharing a story. The man was complaining about the fact say, Abrantie bi, our journalist. They see our UK. Na sa Abrantie no apparently no UK our no. Our illegally. Our UK honum illegally. But our illegally no on kana no ntumo. Or some using the platform the propaganda Emma NDC for. Who were illegally apparently. Afedie. Who sang politics are. Who do platform no the propaganda my NDC for. And to say no NPP for more UK honum no see be no betumi aye bia a make sure say that guy no ye be deport no sa no muka enti omuka sa asɛm na man ba ku fru soro na oski ade na NPP for more UK kra mo ye slow sa ono our US ebra Kelvin Taylor any Twini Jonas omudi sa omo asɛm ni kosi asɛm na di kire NPP for no osi ono oko immigration ewo Columbus, Ohio Columbus, right? Eko check say Kelvin Taylor any Twini Jonas no omo papers there. Na omo lack ni say Kelvin Taylor no ono we worry. Okay, we worry broni. Enti ni papers here intact. Twini Jonas there ono there ni say we seek political asylum. Say obagana yebe kunu. Politicians hwehwe na ekunu. Enti ono so no our US on political asylum. Na osi se nye pa se anka mu papers intacta. Anka ohonuma wa report your no. US authorities will look for them and deport them. Enti me encourage yen nuanom ne papa mu ye ma minimum wo amanoni. Se kwasiam penny bi, sorry. And I say obi ebetina brochre. Ontina ho in peace. Or sorry the base. Or sorry no ya NDC NPP for. Ebusian for mun ko na mun ko reporting ne pano. Mun ko bisa say omo papers there. So mun di papers ebusian for mun mayen deport omo nyina na mo bejo ani wo Ghana wa. Yes, because what I will say, who are banone abrochre, and I will support the NDC. No, but name be, but now my name will be next year. A memo bonia. Yet him, You cannot be there and say you are supporting NDC. So that we will be suffering here now. Episode 4, let's go and listen to this interesting story that I just spoken to you about. But before then, episode 4, our studio. We thank you so far for all you are doing for us. You are raising $180. And the total is $2,300. What do you call Ghana cedis more? 25,000 Ghana cedis. We will get there. But we need your help. Without you, we cannot. Whatever you have, $1, $2, $50, $500, $100, $200, $1,000, 5 cedis, 10 cedis, 50 cedis, 100 cedis, 200 cedis, 1,000 cedis, 5,000 cedis, 10,000 cedis, 100,000 cedis. Mon boy, why? Naba no screen I say. Eda masisi na mwenu debia. Eda masi na mishiramo. For now, let's go and listen to this conversation. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Yes, it's a crime of Gabi Master, fast bag. I met me do fast for US. I say no. Mr. Kelvin Taylor, Miss Screenshotting the BB, they call home office for Columbus, Ohio. And I'm the call home office near your checky. No more the BB come perfect. Enemy church, and I'm a Tim baby. Nanya Sadian come where you can. Quaway. Made never call home office. I'm Yakochaki or one crata, fire, one in crata, Yanchin in fan coffee. Simple. Sana come met me. I am. Sana me met Papa and Yafi abonne Yafi met me at Chera Bosumi a Biamabro. She Monty me metanabro me did the NPP for them. Me say me the NPP for me the DNDC for them. Now whom me a family connect me say me Nibia, young family coffee, me fa.
What's the comment section that you don't wait my response? Who will so respond? Asɛm
Jano, one landing for the go no more air lose. Mr. Kelvin Taylor, met me the document now. Appointment time na me make ye ni na dia to ase am wahebi. Me de ne call Columbus, the whole Ohio, the whole America, baby, I do be bekobia near Chaki and the information be also. Me de ne call me quiet no awari come our one in crata or passport. And me church and I'm Timbaby. Na kwasi am penny when I'm UK sorry on in a man. Mum funny young Connie Mum funny go home office. Mum funny go home office. Mum kono one crata fine. One in crata yen channel. Simple. Me say Bonnie. Present this for to say yen Bonnie. Ye bet Bonnie. Me would your pabra social media no so neka so we US I say. Ne chere yen chere. Chini Jonas starting so dear ye. Chini Jonas say waseki yi enti ono ne dia na okuta no wontimi mfa ne ma ono waseki politicals and one nam tane na ne dia na ye enti wo de ukwa ne o system nim ti wontimi mfa ne ma eni etwitwa so no de opa so wo US anom starting na me nya picture pe me make appointment me tifie no ma make appointment de ko me kwa ne ma ya sati woni nkrata ya de ni within the deportation ayi so she wana kwasi ampani weni na UK musole amone na UK na Jimmy mumfa ne nko home office ni me antwem no gina hono no Jimmy
ebusafo pajo obi regulate man na
at the farm NDC mbabu no youngsters for what is the laughter about say somebody wish that you should be on the street stealing so that omo na asefo na omo de omo because these politicians it is the family byproduct that they push to go and be police. Asie dunketia ne biological son or daughter bia will not be a police. But wonim ne brother kwasi ampanyin na owo ne kurase wa won kwala omo ye damp omo ni minyansa omo ntimi mbobra. They are the people Asie dunketia wants them to go and be police. Not even you, a university person, I will struggle say who pay juma. Anka wenya half of or no Asie duma opportunity ni bia. Anka woda USA billboard. Sa papa we ejina we ni kachira wo se. Wo na ase na afata se ko na ko wiade. Na ono brother ana ne sister for kwasiampanyin fo na omo we kurase. Awowo omo kola omo ni minyansa. Obesua sa ankola no momu e de omo akọ police. Na sa ankola no wo a wo ye badwe ne ba. Na nka wonya chance anka enye ha. Wo momu nko wiade. Na ne nkosia na asefo cousins and nephews. Na obekwa akoswa omo efri okurase de omo kogu police. They will now come to the street and catch you there as a thief. You are laughing. What is funny? What's funny about what you said? Because village na be free no. Kaway. Kebeka say, why mo edro? Because I'm na me what village and na LOP girls. Near ye beba bechino. No, dear children, mongon, sa. Ye perceive no crab, but also on pair or do a waitress, sa, econo. Na ye name passe. Aposuma cotrana, ya, as ye dunkit, yashano. Ya the four girls, I want to know, NDC, youth. I see a dunkit, ya. What the four girls and the four boys, and all the young one. Because I don't understand. Someone mock you and you laugh. Someone insult you and you laugh. Someone call you like a praco pick movement and it's comedy. So I ask you people that follow that party, what at all is your goal? Sometimes I ask myself, what is the worst thing NDC penyin for anka emfanchira mo NDC for? As long as some of us we have been in politics, in fact, all the worst form of insults that a voter can receive, you NDC followers, you have backed them from your opinion for. Muni minyansa, short memory. Mo president and a kind. Mo ya ordinary muni adwini bia eda mutiri mo se emma nipa ye. Mo ya ordinary supporters. Mo president. Messiah is the hope on a kind. Mo life eda so to send ye city. Asi edunketi akro ya months ago e na okachira. Someone amojina ho, mama is the hope, mama is the hope. Mama ba penso no. Enya mpabo akro ya na ehia. Enya awura wo na udi e na uye dey udi. Asi edunketi akro ya na ekasa asem le kira. Moye bootlicking sycophants. To it means wabrabo. Se ube didi. To say open kwasiam penyin bi ti say ati edunketia. Na waka kwasiasem na wasoso ansan na wadidi. Fi kote. To you NDC people. And now it has reached here. Some of you need to be thieves. Your owner said dinketia. Now sir. It clearly shows that all is not well with you. You are under some kind of strong demonic spell to still belong to such a party. That is the honest truth. That is the honest truth. All of the insults